Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome once again to African Native Tales by Ichien Duka. Ever wondered how the ancient Igbo people viewed the origin of the earth? Owa Wara Arwa is a phrase that is deeply rooted in Igbo cosmology and mythology. This phrase, which translates to "the earth broke forth," is a testament to the ancient Igbo people's understanding of the earth's origins. The phrase is often used to describe the primordial event that marked the beginning of the world, where the earth is said to have broken forth from a state of chaos. They believed that, in the beginning, the universe was covered in darkness. That explosion caused the universe of light to come into existence. This mythological concept is often associated with the idea of creation and the formation of the world, and is still widely referenced in Igbo culture and tradition today. The other interesting thing here is that they equally believed that a force inspired the explosion. The force is what they referred to as Chukwu, the ultimate source of creation and the embodiment of divine immanence. In Igbo cosmology, Chukwu is a pan-Igbo term for the primordial source of all things in existence, indeed considered the divine supernatural force, who is often associated with the creation of the universe and the forces of nature. While the modern Igbo have adopted the term Chukwu to mean the supreme Igbo god, it's more accurate to describe Chukwu as the foundational force that inspired creation, who is considered to be both transcendent and immanent, meaning that Chukwu is both beyond human comprehension and yet intimately present in the world. Let me hear your thoughts about this belief. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe if you haven't, and share with others.